Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a brief how-to on how to use Kahoot, whether you're a parent, student, or educator. So first, I'm going to go ahead and address the content. So there is not a specific subject that can be used for Kahoot. You can literally use any subject at all. It's not limited to 1, 2, 3, 4. You can have anything you want. As for the age group, you can use this for anybody who is able to at least read. That is the bare minimum requirement. So as long as they can read, this is basically a quiz disguised as a game. But as long as the students can read, anybody can play this game. It's so much fun. So what you're looking at here is the home page for Kahoot. I'm going to show you how it works. So all you want to do is you can either go to Google and just type in Kahoot, or you can say kahoot.com and it'll bring you to this page. If you're a teacher, what you're going to want to do is you can sign up absolutely free. That is the best part. I'm going to go ahead and log in since I already have an account. And you can log in with whatever you so choose. Okay, then it's going to bring you to a page that wants you on here. It'll say, where my mouse is, it'll say create Kahoot, which I have already created just one quick slide. That way you guys can see. And then you can post it, or in this case, host it if you're the teacher. So since I've already created it, I'll show you what a demo game looks like. So what you do, here you are given a game pin. What you do as the teacher is you use your computer and you can display the questions on your smartboard or chalkboard or projector, whatever you have. That way the whole class can see it. From the students, what the students need to do is they either need to, depending on their age, use their phone, a tablet, or a computer. I know if you're in elementary school or middle school, you'll have to plan to get the computers, the laptops. But what you do is all the students have their own laptop, and when they get on the laptop, they're going to go the homepage we were at where it said login, that said enter game pin. So when you click on enter game pin, as the teacher, you will give them the pin to enter. So whatever the pin is, you enter it and click enter, and then they go to your specific Kahoot that the teacher has created. So I'll go back here. So we are given a game pin, so now we'll act as the student, and we'll type this in. Okay, then you hit enter, and this is showing you what it looks like, and it's going to ask you to put in a nickname. Specifically, you should ask your students to make sure to put their name. If there are multiple of somebody in the class, make sure they put their first and last name or something to distinguish them. I'm just going to put in Macy B, since that's my first name and last initial. So whenever you log in from the student's point of view, the teacher can look at the board and see everybody who has logged in, who has submitted a pin and their nickname. When everybody's name is on the board, then the teacher can hit start. So it'll tell the students as well, you're in, and they can look and see their name, all that good stuff. So then the teacher, once everybody is logged in, hits start. And it has this little music in the background. So there are 9 questions, and these are timed. Okay? Okay. Are all strawberries red? Whatever they think the answer is on their screen, which is right over here, the mobile phone, they're going to click whatever shape for the answer. So if they think it's all red, they're going to click the triangle. Okay, and then it shows you how many people answered for what shape but it doesn't tell you who answered what. So if you look on the mobile phone example, it tells you that the student was incorrect, and it tells them, good try. And then over here, it'll show you how many people got it, and the correct answer is displayed with a little check mark. White strawberries exist too. So then you get the idea. So we're going to exit the demo. And I created a quick Kahoot, which is, I just labeled it math multiplication. This can be used for any subject. My question here is, what is 2 times 2? And I've displayed the different answers that I've chosen to put in there. And of course, you will choose the right answer that will pop up on their screens. And then I can't show this without getting through the game and to the end, and the demo has 9 questions, so I won't go through every one of them, but once it is completed, it'll tell you what name. Along the way, it'll tell you whose name, who's in the lead, and it gives you points. So it's kind of like a little competition for the students, which is super exciting. Everyone loves a little competition, especially when it's fun. They don't look at this as a quiz. They look at this as a game, which makes it so much better, no matter what subject it is. This will help them in various ways. It will help them practice the subject. Memorization is another thing they come across. It's wonderful. So there are nothing wrong with this game. The only requirement is that everybody has access to their own laptop, something of that nature. But that's basically how you use it. Thank you for watching.